Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we are going to learn how to set up your video player so you can decide how it should play videos. Let's get started. Click on your video element to select it. Relevant tools will then appear on the action bar above. Here, click on Settings. A small window will appear, and from here you can decide whether you want to enable or disable the following: loop video, mute it on play, show controls, and play automatically. Simply toggle the corresponding buttons and set these up according to your preferences. Once you're done, your changes will then automatically be saved on the editor. And that's it. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.